2025 Ducati XDiavel V4, born to break the rules. In the motorcycle world, categories are like comfort zones, useful, familiar, and sometimes stifling. Cruisers are for laid-back miles. Sport bikes are for racetracks. Touring bikes are for, long roads. But what if a machine could tear through all those definitions, defy expectations, and stand boldly as something entirely new? Enter the 2025 Ducati XDiavel V4, a power cruiser not built to follow the crowd, but to lead a rebellion. With this machine, Ducati didn't just update a model, it challenged its own legacy, redefined an entire genre, and gave riders something they didn't know they were waiting for: a motorcycle that can be both thunderous and elegant, savage and sophisticated. The XDiavel V4 is not about compromise, it's about reinvention, a philosophy of provocation. Since its debut, the XDiavel has always been Ducati's renegade, a motorcycle with cruiser posture but Italian soul. The new V4 version continues this ethos but with deeper conviction and more daring execution. This isn't just a facelift or a new paint job, it's a ground-up transformation. Ducati discarded the signature trellis frame in favor of an aluminum monocoque chassis, dropped the Chassis twin, and transplanted the heart of a performance icon, the 1158cc Gran Turismo V4. This change isn't merely technical, it's philosophical. Ducati is no longer just adapting cruiser DNA to fit its performance mold. It's reshaping the cruiser class in its own image. The V4 engine, a masterstroke of controlled fury. The core of this rebellion lies the Gran Turismo V4, an engine originally crafted for long-distance touring but more than willing to raise hell when provoked. Producing 168 horsepower and 93 lb-ft of torque, it turns the XDiavel from a power cruiser into something more mythic, almost like a Roman gladiator in carbon armor. But here's the genius. The V4 doesn't intimidate. It entices. Power delivery is smooth, predictable, and beautifully linear. Roll on the throttle in second gear, and it feels like a sledgehammer wrapped in silk. Let the revs climb, and the sound turns feral, pushing you toward triple digits before you've realized how quickly the world is blurred. Unlike the sharp, track-oriented Desmosedici Stradale V4 used in the Panigale, this engine has broader shoulders. It's tuned to be torquey down low and exhilarating up high. It is an engine with manners, until you ask for mayhem. And with the rear cylinder deactivation at idle and low-speed cruise, Ducati also makes the XDiavel more comfortable in traffic, reducing heat and fuel consumption in ways few muscle bikes can match. Design that speaks in muscle and motion. One glance at the 2025 XDiavel V4, and you know it means business. The silhouette remains low and long, a nod to cruiser traditions, but that's where the similarity ends. Everything else screams Ducati: the sculpted tank, the aggressive headlamp, the exposed single-sided swing arm, and that 4-outlet exhaust that looks more jet turbine than muffler. Every line feels taut, every component purposeful. The LED lighting gives it a futuristic stare, and the floating tail section above the massive 240-meter rear tire makes it clear that this isn't a bike for the shy or the subtle. Unlike some cruisers that lean on chrome and nostalgia, the XDiavel V4 is unapologetically modern, angular, and bold. It doesn't evoke the past, it challenges the future. Handling: a cruiser that carves. When you throw a leg over the XDiavel V4, the initial ergonomics confirm it's a cruiser: feet forward pegs, wide bars, low seat. But the moment you tip into a corner, those expectations evaporate. This is a bike that wants to lean. The combination of Ducati's monocoque frame, a longer wheelbase, and finely tuned fully adjustable suspension, a 50mm Marzocchi fork up front, and Sachs monoshock at the rear, allows the XDiavel V4 to corner far more aggressively than its stance suggests. There's stability, confidence, and above all, a sense of control that few cruisers, or even sport nakeds, can rival. And despite the massive rear tire, the turn-in is light, not lazy. Ducati's engineering ensures the bike doesn't resist direction changes. It flows, it dances, It challenges you to rethink what a cruiser should feel like. Braking is equally impressive, with Brembo Stylema M50 calipers offering razor-sharp response and tremendous stopping power. Whether you're trail braking into a downhill sweeper or making an emergency stop, the feedback and control inspire total confidence. Electronics. Smart muscle high performance without smart management is chaos. Ducati understands this, which is why the XDiavel V4 comes equipped with one of the most advanced electronic suites in the segment. At the heart of it all is a 6-axis IMU, enabling features like cornering ABS Ducati traction control, DTC, wheelie, control launch, control engine brake control Ducati power launch, DPL. There are 4 riding modes: sport, touring, urban, and wet, each tailoring throttle response, power output, and electronic intervention to suit the moment. Urban and wet modes limit power to 115 HP for safety and comfort, while sport unleashes the full might of the V4 with sharper response and minimal interference. Touring finds the sweet spot for real-world use, still fast but friendlier. All of it is easily navigated through a 6.9-inch full-color TFT display, which also features smartphone integration via Ducati's multimedia system, enabling music, calls, and navigation with a few intuitive taps. Add cruise control and backlit switchgear, and you get a cockpit that's as refined as it is futuristic. Real-world ride. Everyday excitement. What sets the XDiavel V4 apart isn't just that it can go fast or look stunning. It's how it performs. In the real world, in the city, it's smooth, easy to ride, and not overly heavy at low speeds. The clutch is light. Gear shifts are slick thanks to the quick shifter, and the narrow profile makes it surprisingly maneuverable for a power cruiser. On open roads, it morphs into something thrilling. The V4 purrs at cruising speeds, yet is always a twist away from delivering a guttural roar and surge of acceleration. You can tour all day in comfort, or attack corners like you're riding a naked sport bike. The XDiavel V4 also improves ride quality significantly over its predecessor. Thanks to better suspension travel and refined damping, rough pavement doesn't jar your spine. Ducati has finally made a power cruiser that isn't just fast, but truly livable. Who it's for? The rider who refuses to choose. This motorcycle isn't for someone who wants to blend in. It's for the individualist, someone who loves power, design, and the sheer joy of motorcycling, but doesn't want to be boxed into categories. It's not a touring bike, yet it can tour. It's not a sport bike, yet it can thrill. It's not a traditional cruiser, yet it rides with commanding presence. It's an expression of freedom, not just in form, but in philosophy. The XDiavel V4 is for riders who demand everything: comfort, speed, tech, style, and soul.